Wally. Alright, I can polish that up.
Okay, so for the viewers then, what's this pipe for?
This is the spares bike, because of reverse the head.
This is a top tube for a frame for what we call a spares bike, which has been off and on for about 5 years, 10 years.
Well, I sold all the original blower from the back.
Right.
We've had to
rethink things.
Rethink things.
Yeah, so here we are. It's on the jig right now, on the frame jig. Looking a bit rusty. And
nothing a good shot, black hole.
No. So you've chopped out the top tube, and now you're going to make a new one, which is here, that you're now welding up. And yeah, this was called a spares bike because it had spare bits left over from another project, our main project, which is currently in bits again. So you've now decided to drag this out and do something with it. And what we've got here is what I assume is something like a late Z, what is it, a Z1000 J?
The what?
What's the engine? Is it GPZ or a J?
It's actually, the cases are out of the shafter.
Oh God, yeah. Which you modified the gearbox for, yeah. Okay. But it's still a sort of J or a later model. And what you've done is, just because it's you, you've reversed the head, as you can see. So there's the manifold there at the front, which is there to take a supercharger. So yeah, all change again. It is looking a bit rusty though. Look at the state of that. It's been lying around, sometimes outside, sometimes in here, where it's quite damp. So for some reason, Jeff's now dragged it out, fitted it on his frame jig, and he's now doing things with it again. The block. Is this the block that you've been saving for a long time?
That's a 1260.
1260. The cylinder head studs are all kind of okay, you can spin them around. What you can't do is, there are some bits here where the cam chain goes and so on there, and at the front that are different, so you can't just spin the a standard head around and expect it to work, because it won't. So Jess machined up his own billet block here, so that we can reverse, or he can reverse the this head and have the blower at the front, exhaust pipes at the back, which is the way modern drag bikes are these days. So is this going to be for your air shifter inside there?
No, I'll just put a thingy on.
Yeah. The other one we had, or he had, I say we because I own half of it, the top tube was sealed so that you can put air in it, compressed air, and that'll work the air shifter, which is the way of changing gear at full whack. Right, good. So there you go. Things are happening.
Stop.
So price system.
It's 2.5 inch diameter.
What did this look like before? Did it have two?
It had the 3 rails.
Oh, 3 rails.
But what it was, if you can see that now,
yeah,
I might just have to tweak that a little bit. When they're cut, I want them just to come in.
Yeah.
And then what I'll do, when the 2 tubes come onto it, I'll make like a little gusset
around
to weld in. And
so why did you change it then? Why did you go from the 3 to a big
I've just had to make sure, obviously, we need to know. When that wood's out the way, there's plenty of room there to get the rocker off and the head in and out. So
yeah, let me go around. Go around there.
I've just got that. That's just resting on it at the minute.
Okay. And is this the supercharger you'll be using?
Yeah. Well, originally the supercharger was at the back.
Yes, that's right.
And the frame was like that.
Yes.
And with reversing it, the original braces were there, so the bracing wanted altering.
Okay.
And it looked, with reversing it, the frame was more.
Yeah.
And I thought,
this looks better.
I thought, some people say, well, why did you bother? Well,
because it looks better.
Plus the weight saving.
Yes. So what kind of supercharger is that then? It's a.
That's an Eaton M60.
M60.
But it wants some work doing.
Well,
I've got to drill because it's going to go. I've got to put a bolted plate to that, and then I can use that manifold.
Okay.
But it's in because once this is tacked in, I can then work the brace. I think.
Yeah. There's a brace that goes there.
I think basically they
can go there. Yeah.
Probably, maybe about right there. One across there, one there.
Okay.
And I think that'll give you plenty of.
And is the tank going to go low down?
I'm going to sit the tank down here.
Okay. Rather than in this triangle here.
Pump, use the fuel pump. The seat thing I'm going to have bolted on.
Right.
Because it's just
easier.
It's there, the seat thing.
The seat thing.
I'm going to cut.
I see. Yeah.
I'm going to put a couple of round lugs on there.
Yeah,
and a couple of brackets.
Unbolt it. Yeah.
Lengthen that to go up to the tube. and then just have like a couple of bolt-on tabs, so you can actually
remove it if need be.
Play around with it.
Yeah.
Plus, when you're painting it, it's
a lot easier.
See that? That can just get hand painted with some black.
Yeah, bit of hammerite.
Black hammerite.
Yeah.
Because it's all under. You don't see it.
Yeah, it's only visible.
So that can do
right.
that.
Okay. So. Right, okay, so that's the current state of play. As you can see, it's pretty rusty at times.
It's because it's been left out under the thing.
Yeah. It's been undercover, but obviously it's damp in where we live.
The tubing's 2 mil thick, so if it takes 10 thou off it when it's shot blasted, it's not going to worry it.
Oh, no.
Once it's all done, the trouble is, it's getting it to someone who can shot. And this time of year now...
I'm sure we can find somebody.
I've got some black paint. Funnily enough, the tin there... It's a full tin of metallic black.
Oh, okay. You've had that a while.
Cellulose. Okay. And it's in... Hey, I tell you something, it's going on.
How old is that? About 50 years old? I don't know.
I bet it could be 40 years old.
Well, if it works, it works.
What I've got to do now, I've got the blower things here.
Oh, the drive.
Because what I might have to do, what I've got to work out is, because it's not going up there, it's got to go to this one. So them pins have got to come out, or ground off. I've got to drill this gear and put a new drive on it.
Right.
Because it's got to go that way.
Okay.
If you try to work that way, the blower's going
the wrong way.
It's going the wrong way.
Okay, so you've got to reverse the blower.
It's got to go to the lower one.
Right. Let's have a look.
Hey, that's not bad. Do you know something?
That might work.
That's probably
about the right length.
Not going to be
too far out.
That.
Yeah, you have to have a. Yeah, looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, right, okay, so this is more of a, I'm not sure what you call it. This is more of a revamp of an existing old project.
It's a spares bike, as you call it.
Yes, there is actually a whole long bill through on this thing, but perhaps I'll start a new one. It's been so long ago, I've forgotten.
I sold the Supercharger.
Yeah, I know you did.
The original one there, obviously, it's stuck right in here.
Yes.
But when they reversed it, I thought it looked smart.
Yeah, reverse head. Right, so after all that then...
And then on there,
we're not finished yet.
Nice area there to put a Kawasaki sticker down it.
All right. I'll find you a Kawasaki sticker.
A nice Kawasaki sticker.
That'll be my contribution, a sticker. Right, okay, we'll leave it there. So thanks for watching and cheers.